Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to enable two-factor authentication in TradingView to secure your account. So you can firstly click on your profile icon, then after click on settings and billing, and then here click on account settings where you will find your all account settings. Now here you will see the two-factor authentication settings. You have three options: authentication app using a Google Authenticator. You can download it using a App Store or Google Play Store. Second option is a text message. Receive a text message to your mobile device when sign in. Or the last one is a backup codes. Okay, so I am using a authentication app. Then after once you tap to enable, then after it will ask to enter the verification code that will send to your email. So now here you can open your email, and then after enter the code. So wait, it will still not here. Yes, the code is here. So now here you can type code 416626. Okay, and then click on submit. And then after it will ask you to scan the QR code using the Google Authenticator that is installed on your mobile phone. Once you scan it, here you will get a code. So you can enter the code within the 30 seconds. And then once you click on enable, you will find that the backup codes and the two-factor authentication will be enabled. Okay, so here is how you can easily do it. Goodbye.